We all have certain belief about our names. The same with NYY. Speaking of NYY, it is not NYY, 3 separate letters, but a word that stands for something new. If a city needs to be developed, if people are tired of the traditional routes, why not go to break through everything obtained in past? All of these are called change. Change to love, change to hope, change to inspire, change to persevere, change to self-renewal, change to fight for the right thing, change to be a person of value, change to tell the world what the future looks like. Perhaps inadvertently you'll realize NYY is no more NYY, but about power of change, on the premise of being never yield to yesterday.